Hello friends, and welcome back to a YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to do these videos and help our clients with the sale, the purchase and of course rentals of real estate properties at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region. And today we have a nice offer. We are located in Benijofar. Benijofar is a nice town that in the surroundings have a lot of new build. Wealthy people are living here, people mostly that buy nice properties with own pool. I like this town because it has a nice location. We are just 5 minutes away to the halfway. We can go to any place with the halfway. We are very close to Quesada, to Arco from Quesada. This is a central area with a lot of amenities, restaurants. And also this town, Benijofar, it was a small town. I live here for a long time and I've seen how much it has grown. And there's new commercial center. I see the commercial center from here that was opened already. There's another commercial center with McDonald's, a lot of restaurants, bars, also that was opened only 2 years ago. You have the center from here, only 5 minutes walking. Well, actually almost in the center of the town with a lot of places to go to. So all the infrastructure is here in this place. We are 10-15 minutes to Guardamar Beach. Is one of the best beaches you can find in our area. 20 minutes to Torrevieja city, 15-20 minutes to Torrevieja, 30 minutes to Elche and 40 minutes to Alicante city. So it's top place to live, to have holidays. It has 2 nice parks. So yeah, it's nice to live here and also enjoy the holidays. And on this case, on this nice area, nice beautiful area, we have a villa on sale. Well, a small villa actually, with 200 square meters plot. As you see, own pool, good size, medium size pool. And this villa has only 3 years. The owner has never used this villa before. He was just coming a couple of times for holidays. He was not renting it out. It's completely new. The furniture is, he put the furniture only 2 months ago. 3 bedrooms, 2 master bedrooms en suite, and very good condition. Solar panels, electric blinds, underfloor heating in the bedrooms, and yeah, everything is brand new. Nice roof terrace with solar panels, yeah, and fully furnished. So nice property. Price for this villa is 449,000, and yeah, it's very nice offer. You will see it from inside, you will see it from outside, and I'm sure you will be in love with this corner villa. Also one big advantage of this type, because that one is the corner villa. You have several houses that are small, same, but on this case, this is corner one. We have straight exit to the street, and of course, more plot. On this case, you can park your car if you want easily here. It has a private parking. Nice place to sit here, nice place to sit there, nice garden. So, and what I also like on this case, you have access from the kitchen to the terrace. You have access from the living room to the terrace, and also another access to the full area. So very good plan, very good design. And on this case, I think we can go and see the villa from the inside. Follow me. So when we are coming inside, as I promised, we have a nice qualities. The owner has spent a lot of money to furnish the property, of best furniture, and yeah, top qualities as the new build must to have these last days. And after this, after small hall to put the shoes, we have this living area, living space here. Nice, bright, with nice design, lighting, and this access to the pool area, as I told by the beginning. And here, the dining area, nice kitchen with another access to the pool area, enough space, enough place to have everything. And yeah, here we have the small bedroom with private wardrobe, window that goes to the place where the parking spot is, and yeah, enough space for the guests. This is the guest bedroom. After this, we have this the bedroom with a shower plate, also enough space for the guests or the people, and small storage place down the stairs. And now we're going to see the first floor that offers 2 bedrooms and in suite with nice bedrooms, with private bedrooms. Follow me. So, and here upstairs we have the second bedroom with slide doors to save space. Nice solution, I like it. And as I promised, with private bedroom, window, and of course enough place to sleep and have your clothes saved. And following, we have third and the biggest bedroom. Look at the size. Actually offers a lot of size, with also private bedroom, and we have this access to a nice terrace that has 20 square meter size. Check it out, how lovely it is here. This is the window that goes from the bedroom. I like the plan of this property. It's done very good and very smart. And yeah, we can see the pool from this terrace, and also have this nice view to our Vega Baja with green trees and nature. And now follow me, because it's not all. We have more things to see here on this property, and we have a nice roof terrace. I will close the window because it's windy. We have a nice roof terrace that we have here, the access straight to the roof terrace. This is the electric box for the solar panels. And now let's see the roof terrace. It's amazing. And now please check out these views. It's amazing. I can see all the Vega Baja. I see the mountains of Orihuela. And also, as you see here, we can see the halfway. It's very close by. Nature and amazing stunning views. I like it. I like them very much. And we have this nice roof terrace with awakening. The owner did this not long ago, so you can enjoy in the summer. You can put a summer kitchen here. Here also we have the water heater. It goes with the solar panels. We have another solar panels here for the electricity. This property have 137 square meters constructed area. Without the terrace, 116 square meter size. So nice place, nice property, nice design, nice view. What else you need? Contact me for more details about this property or any other property. Please share this video with your family, your friends, subscribe our channel, and I see you next time in our channel from Alicante Real Estate. Bye bye, hasta luego.